pulled chicken with barbecue sauce and a little coleslaw on the side. Perfect backyard picnic kind of a meal. Super easy and always a crowd pleaser. Each day during the month of February, I will be using the $4.99 Costco Rotisserie Chicken as a springboard for a wide variety of easy, inexpensive, delicious meals that are generally very healthy. Tune in every day this month for a new recipe. This is the perfect thing to do with the tail and all the little funny bits and pieces of chicken. When you've taken out all the nice pieces, all these small pieces left, and all you need is your favorite barbecue sauce. I have Sweet Baby Ray's, but yours can be anything. Most regions have a favorite barbecue sauce. You choose the one you like best. And you can see my pieces are a little bit chunky, and they're going to be prettier if they look more shredded, more pulled. And you can make this like in a mixer, or if you use a food processor, do make sure you don't have a cutting knife piece on it, because that'll just kind of make shreds. And you want it more pulled, so something a little duller. I don't happen to have a food processor, but I do know my mixer would do something like this. Or you can simply put it in a bowl, put the barbecue sauce on it, and using a fork or maybe a couple forks or a fork and a spoon, whatever you have, just kind of tear the pieces apart a little bit, and that'll make them aesthetically a little more pleasing. I think it's nicer, the texture is nicer when they're not these like chunks of chicken. But this is an easy recipe. Don't make work for yourself. Make it easy. And once you've got it, the texture that you want it, you can either stick it in the microwave. That's why I put this in a glass bowl so I can put it in the microwave. Or you can heat it up on a very low heat on the stove. Then all you do is put it on a roll. You can put it on a hamburger bun that's nice and soft, easy for people to eat. Or if you want to make it a little fancier, you can get a nice chewy artisanal roll, which is what we've chosen to do because we love nice artisanal rolls. And there's our coleslaw here. This is just shredded cabbage and whatever coleslaw dressing you like to have. I get a bottled Marzetti's in the produce section, but I've had all different kinds through the years, and it has a nice vinegary flavor, which is good with especially the sweetness of this particular sauce, barbecue sauce that I've chosen. So on a plate, beautiful sides that are colorful and tasty. Now, my husband, a little bit of a North Carolina influence on him, he likes to put his coleslaw on his sandwich. It gives it a crunch, and the vinegar is, like I said, the vinegar is really good with the sweet. So have it the way you want it. And the next time you're looking for an easy backyard picnic idea that pleases the whole family, try a pulled chicken sandwich with some barbecue sauce on it. Make sure you leave a little barbecue sauce on the table, because invariably someone will want a little more barbecue sauce on their sandwich. Hope you enjoy this one. Quick, easy meal. See you next time.